Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening Outlook and focusing on the inbox that needs sorting. Once there, go to Home, select Rules, then Manage Rules and Alerts and click New Rule. You pick a template or start from a blank rule to control incoming messages. This matters because templates set common conditions for you. Make sure to choose whether the rule applies to messages you receive or send. That decision determines server versus client execution and affects where the rule will run. You now define what to watch for and what to do. First, check one or more conditions like sender address, subject keywords, or messages sent only to you so the rule targets the right mail. Next, choose Actions, move to a folder, mark as Read, Forward, or Delete, because clear actions prevent accidental loss. Once done, add exceptions to protect important mail, give the rule a concise name, and test it on a few sample messages to verify it behaves as expected. You finish by clicking Finish and Apply, and optionally run the rule now on the current folder to process existing mail. Make sure the rule order is correct because Outlook applies rules top-down. Enable Stop processing more rules when you need exclusivity. If the rule doesn't work, check whether it's client-only versus server-side, ensure sync completed across devices, and restart Outlook to refresh settings. If still failing, temporarily disable other rules to isolate conflicts, and then re-enable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.